Hey everybody, Johan and Mac here, Big Swede BBQ, and we're here today with our Memphis wood fire grill to cook up a delicious recipe from Central California.
This is going to be a classic Santa Maria style tri-tip with a grilled corn salsa. We're going to have a couple condiments on the side. We're going to grill the corn, smoke and grill the tri-tip, and it should be a lot of flavor.
So the first thing that you want to do when you do a Santa Maria style tri-tip is to marinate it. Preferably you want to keep this in the fridge for about 3 days, but at least keep it there for 24 hours. So what we have in the marinade is first half a cup of olive oil, a quarter cup of balsamic vinegar, then you want to take a whole onion, chop that up, 3 tablespoons of garlic, a bunch of thyme, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, and then a quarter teaspoon of cayenne pepper and red pepper flakes, and then maybe a little bit of salt and pepper just to taste. When you mix the marinade together, put the tri-tip in a Ziploc bag, pour the marinade over, and then make sure that it covers all part of the tri-tip, and then keep it in the fridge for at least 24 hours.
Now that we've waited the 3 days of the marinating, what we're going to do is we're going to go to our Memphis wood fire grill. We're going to smoke it with hickory wood pellets at 225 until it hits an internal temperature of 120 degrees. While your tri-tip is smoking, what we're going to do now is we're going to make our avocado crema. We need avocados, cilantro, lime, jalapeno, and some sour cream. We're going to blend it until it's nice and smooth.
So the internal temperature of the tri-tip is now 120 degrees. So we want to remove it, put it in an aluminum pan, covered with some foil, while we set up the Memphis wood fire grill for direct flame grilling, maximum temperature. The Memphis wood fire grill is now set up for direct flame grilling, maximum heat. So what we want to do now is we want to take the tri-tip and sear it on both sides for a couple of minutes just to give it a good caramelization. Then we're going to remove it, put it in an aluminum pan with a couple of slices of butter on top to let it rest for about 10 minutes while we're making the grilled corn salad.
So while the tri-tip is resting, we're going to make our grilled corn salsa. First thing we need to do is grill our corn. We need to grease a little bit of our corn just to make sure that it's going to get a nice caramelization on our grill. We're going to rotate the corn until we get a nice char all the way around. Once that is done, we're going to cut the corn off the cob and add the peppers, tomatoes, cilantro, lime, and garlic. Now that we have all the parts of our taco ready, we're going to go ahead and grill off our tortillas.
So before we start building the tortilla, it's time to slice the tri-tip. You want to go with thin slices here and make sure that you slice against the grain. And when we finally have all the ingredients ready, it's time to build the tortillas.
We're going to first start by putting down a layer of the avocado crema. Then we layer with tri-tip, a little bit of our roasted corn salsa, and then at the end, a little bit of Cotija cheese.
If you like the Santa Maria style tri-tip tortilla, make sure that you subscribe to Memphis Wood Fire Grill's YouTube channel or check out their website, www.memphisgrills.com, for more recipes like this. And now I think we have to try these. Cheers.
So much flavor. Unbelievable.
Good creaminess from the avocado, the tanginess from the salsa, and then just this lovely charred flavor from the smoked tri-tip. Try this at home and happy grilling.